Hey, what's up, traders? Thursday, December 8th, 9:19 a.m. Here's your morning ideas. What's going on, traders? I'll try to make this quick today. We only have 10 minutes to the open. Yesterday, I was looking for more of a trendy environment, but what we got was a day of rest after the two down days. So you get down day, what's today? We get down day Tuesday, down day Monday, down day Tuesday. Wednesday is a day of rest, where we just didn't do anything. It's actually a pretty nicely balanced day yesterday. And then overnight, we dipped down into a couple areas that we had talked about. We were looking for the market to kind of clean up this weak low that we have in the profile, and you can see that it's still pretty bottom heavy, which means that we still have room to go lower. However, 3965 was an area that we were looking at in the mark, because this is the volume point of control, and I thought that if the market gets above the volume point of control, we're likely to push back towards 40.25. That's why I have this area here. I mean, you remember, these are areas you can have 40.20, 40.25, whatever, but I think that this is the area where the market's looking to get back to if we can get through this 65. The market got right to it, to the tick almost overnight, and then we've pulled back. So it'll be interesting to see this morning, because this looks kind of like a trend up profile so far. If in the morning, right when we open here in 9 minutes, we'll pull back and then try to push towards the overnight high at 39.65. And if we can get through that, and when I say through that, I'm not looking for the market to kind of like stab through it a little bit. I'm looking for the market to get through it and hold above it. Then we're likely to get to, I think, the next push towards 40.20. If we bang into 39.65 and we turn lower, then we're probably gonna to move down into this 38.95 area I talked about yesterday, where there's a pretty big ledge from when we were trading down here. And I think that's what it's shaping up. So I'm looking for 38.95 are my key levels this morning, and 39.65. And I know they're kind of far apart, but these markets can go pretty far when the volatility rises up. And I think that in the overnight session, it looks kind of trendy to me. And we may get that trend today, as opposed to what we got yesterday. And you can see down here in this panel, the whipsaw back and forth kind of action, where we hit, let me make this bigger, where we tag, standard deviation 2 minus standard deviation 2, and we just kind of whip back and forth, and we don't go anywhere. So 39.65 is on deck here, and I'd like to see. I'm going to watch and see what happens there before I decide which way we're going from there. All right, guys. I'll continue with some courses today that we're going to put out in our new community that will be free for you guys to have. So looking forward to releasing all of that, as I told you, and make sure that you sign up for that second half of the Barstool promotion if you'd like to go to Arizona, win some money, all of that stuff. Have a great day, guys, and we'll talk to you guys soon.